So our ticket package includes 3 parks at the moment which are open, which is the Dinosaur Park, Glow Garden and the Magic Park, and it costs 110. For the Glow Garden alone is 65 dirhams, and quite affordable. Dinosaur. Oh, okay. So just imagine if you are somewhere in the forest and all you have surrounding you is dinosaurs, 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 bigger dinosaurs and dinosaurs. So today I just decided to do something different to entertain my inner child. Because you know your inner child stays with you no matter how old you get, and yep, okay, this is perfect. So this is Dubai Glow Garden. It has 4 parks inside, and you get to like, it's good, it's children friendly, and you make your kids like visualize the things they study in school. They would be able to know the names. Kids know stuff and parents know stuff also. I got no idea about it. Okay. I'm safe. So we have a dinosaur park with all kinds of dinosaurs you've ever heard about. We have Magic Park, which is like based on concept of illusions. Then we have Glow Garden, which is composed of like it's a garden with, let's say, like butterflies which they glow at, like it's all well lit at night. And the other one is so the Dubai Garden Glow is an extension of Zabeel Park. As you can see from my behind, there's the Dubai frame right there. Actually, there's a bridge that connects you to come here directly. Yep. So the idea of the glow garden is that every other material used here is recycled. Like this elephant here, it's made from teacups, plates, spoons. And this peacock is made up of, I think, lab bottles. Yeah, or perfume bottles, I'm not sure. So it's all bottles. Okay. This is so much interesting. So yes, your kids also get an idea of living in a sustainable world.
You can dance.
Okay, I need to dance.
30 seconds.
Kids photo places. They can be a butterfly fairy. See?